Is Maazị Nnamdi Kanu going to accept the condition of the federal government for his release? I'm going to break this thing down because internet don't catch fire. Well, a lot of people they talk say that according to the statement where Abaribe made, that all the whole senators don't come outside and they want go meet Attorney General and talk to presidency so that they go fit release Nnamdi Kanu. But as we dey talk right now, they say that everybody come dey talk Nnamdi Kanu will accept the condition of all the whole Nigerian media. According to the statement wey Abaribe made for this thing, that Nnamdi Kanu will have accepted the condition of the federal government in order way to release him. But I'm going to break it down. Nnamdi Kanu is agitating for the freedom of Biafran people, and I believe that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is not going to accept any condition that is not favorable to Biafra agitation. No, Nnamdi Kanu is not going to accept any condition that is not going to favor his own people. I believe that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, after all, we have not heard from him speaking out about this particular one that Abaribe said, but a lot of people say that Abaribe did not say it. But I have the video which I'm going to play you the video for you to watch here and hear from your own self. Okay, let us watch the video before we come back and say what we want to say. Remember, say you see there for Balabas gist. Do not forget to share this video and also make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important, so that you and turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person we're going to get our update. And follow us for our new TikTok, Balabas gist, as well. Okay, my people, now let us play the video for us to watch it together. Then we'll come back and talk more about this particular video.
No, I think it's beyond. Let's go back. Let's go back to the back. Are you okay?
Nigerians want to know the purpose of your meeting with the AGF this morning, sir.
Yes, this is the members of the Southeast Senate Caucus. And we are here to see the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice on a very, very important matter to the people of the Southeast. It's the matter concerning Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and the continued legal wranglings concerning his incarceration. The Southeast Senate Caucus, just like the rest of the members of the Southeast, put the business leaders, the clergy, the political people, and everybody in the Southeast are all very worried about it, knowing that that has been the fulcrum, I would say, for what is going on in the Southeast regarding the insecurity. All the criminals and all the people going around causing mayhem in the Southeast have all said that it is because Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is being held. We know that this is not the truth. It's just that we have gotten to the point where people are now hijacking a legitimate call for his release and turning it into something that has led to deaths and destruction of properties and so many other undescribable mayhem that is going on in the Southeast. And so we came to meet with the Minister of Justice and Attorney General because we know that at the end of the day, everything that happens in the political, in the legal scheme will eventually come to his office. And we came to appeal to him to help us to let Mr. President know that all leaders of the Southeast feel that the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu will help in dousing all the tensions and everything that is going on in the Southeast. And we are very, very certain that his duty as the Attorney General also gives him the powers of nolle prosequi, the powers of making sure that litigation don't continue and the sufferings of the people of the Southeast continue. That is the essence of why we came here. And I think you know also, I think it's also clear that several different groups in the Southeast, including the Southeast governors who met yesterday, have all been making exactly the same type of plea. And we think that this will help us to bring to an end all the insecurity problems going on presently.
So focus met with Mr. Kanu to know whether he is willing to accept either conditional relief or no.
Yes, on behalf of the caucus, I met with Nnamdi Kanu myself on behalf of the rest of the caucus on Monday. Today is Wednesday. We met with him between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. on Monday, and he is very, very supportive of this, our plea to the President and of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yes.
They need the senator to be suspected this time around. Would you be willing to stand?
I don't think that is necessary to ask. We came here on his behalf, and that tells you that any of our senators that you see, the 15 of us, by the way, the 15 of us signed this letter. A few of us are not here just for reasons of logistics and all that. Some are also not. But we all signed the letter, and you will also have a copy of the letters that we did. So any senator in the Southeast is very willing. The governors are willing. The business leaders are willing. The clergy, they are willing. So the traditional rulers are also willing. So I do not think that anything will stop us if it comes to that. And he has also assured me that he is ready to fulfill any conditions that are put that will lead to his early release.
Sir, is there any positive response from the AGF?
Yes, the AGF received us very warmly and also told us that, of course, this is a request for which he has to go and study it, digest it, and take to the president, because he won't take the ultimate decision. I think it's a decision of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Mr. Lastly, I don't know if I asked you because I came late. What is your appeal to the president to the people of this very case?
The appeal is that this matter cannot be resolved legally, and if we continue with the legal wrangling, that it will continue to cause the insecurities, because the legitimate demands has been hijacked by criminals, undesirables, and all manners of elements who have used it to perpetrate their own nefarious deals on the rest of the people of the Southeast. Nobody in the Southeast likes what is going on. People cannot go out of their houses on Mondays. People are maimed and killed and all that. And some people are roaming around, killing even security men in the name of looking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu himself also confirmed to me last Monday that he never made any request of that nature that anybody should go and kill people. In fact, he was very pained that the Southeast is suffering because of this. And he assured me that when the day is out, is also the day that they will now know those who are legitimate agitators and those who are criminal elements. Sorry, sir. We're done. Speaking Senator, good morning, sir. Who else? Yeah? Yeah, I'm looking at
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have arrested in this cause for many times. He have arrested many times, spent years in prison, and he did not show out Biafra. He still come outside and be saying what he's saying. We are in the final phase of this struggle, and you think that Nnamdi Kanu would have accept any condition with no reason at the moment? I don't think that will happen, but the condition you accept, I believe it will be a condition for the favor of his own people. However, we are going to be looking down and be bringing more updates regarding this particular update we don't see today. Guys, please tell me what you think about this video. Do you think that this thing that Abari was saying is actually come out from Nnamdi Kanu as well? So hit the subscribe button and share this video, and do not forget to drop your own opinion for comment section. Let's talk about it over there. Thank you for watching.